Good night. I just wanted to show you guys a quick video. It's the live account, as you guys can see. Look here. Now I've been algo trading for one on the 1 minute time frame. As you know, you're not supposed to be trading on the 1 minute time frame unless you're scalping. Super scalping, I would say. You can swing trade on the 50 minutes time frame. You can. But nobody can tell me that you can't. It's a scalping time frame. What's up? No matter. I don't know too much. Then I could not do it. Anyways, as you guys can see, I have two screens up with the 15 minutes time frame. The one and the 15 minutes time frame. Correction. The market is completely oversold. As you can see, I zoom all the way out. This is how I know it's actually oversold. And these are called period separators. If I zoom in the same, it will tell me that it's oversold. As you guys can see, I entered a trade. I entered my trade right here. I'm gonna tell you exactly where I entered my trade. So if I can put a line there. But delete all of these fucking lines. Sorry for the bad road. Look at that up on my chest. Guys, honestly, I have grown to the point in my life where I no longer feel attached to money that I deposit in the financial markets. Right? And it's important to you guys as well not to be attached to this money. The reason for this is you will lose in the market and you don't want to feel mentally challenged. If you see where I'm going with this, when you lose. I can't even see my last line on the chart. But when you get me at top, I'm going to make use a crosshair. I crosshair ever show. Can't be so snow line anymore. The fuck? I crosshair the wrong place too. Anyways, guys, we get one semi-sniper entry. It's not sniper entry, but it's almost. So, right up bumbo clan. Like you fuck, you know. Sorry. Sometimes I just get dark, guys. Yeah. So the sniper entry was right here. Right here. Market spiked on me right there where the bullseye is, like a sniper, right? Bam, I get your entry there. Market spiked and went up here and formed a new higher high on the 1 minute time frame, and I held the trade and it came down here. Once it hit back right here, which is right over here, I was in profit, and then the market steadily came down. Now I knew where my target was. I noticed it spiked here while I was in the trade. It spiked here, right? And I was in Mama T. What's wrong with you, Mama T? Yeah, Mama T, alright, Mama? You okay, baby girl? Daddy love you now? Yeah. Mama T, you hungry? Oh yeah, I'm okay, pretty no. Yeah, so guys, I was in this trade, and the market came all the way down here. When it reached down here, so but they kind of make like probably like you know, almost make me $100 back. Cause guys, me deposit $100 originally, but because I did a idle and a trade on 1 minute time frame and I you know, play by the rules and trade like I'm a professional trade. Wait. If it take 2 days, I still want good setup already, I'm wait. That's about the quality itself, not the quantity, right? As you guys can see. So what happened is that the market is, let me use my cross here again. The market is right here, and then the market basically came down here and it spiked. Now my take profit was this line here. It was until the price touched this line. I'm using the 50 period Bollinger Bands. The reason is because the 50-day moving average is a perfect crossover, and these are basically moving averages as well. Alright, with 3 balances. So again, it's a support and resistance. My take profit was here, my target. But before it reached here, the market spiked. I held my trade until it's here. I was not playing it greedy, guys. I take what the market gave me. So let me show you guys something. I would have made this. The account was all the way. See, so it says today. See, it said I made $30.36 in US dollars. I would have made probably $50 because I'm coming like from a $70 balance. I was down all the way to 40 something dollars, guys. Sorry I never recorded part of the screen. Right? I was all the way down to like a 40 something dollar balance because it brought me all the way down there. And I worked it and I brought it all the way back up here. I'm 40 something dollars. So I've made probably like $70-80 tonight on top of my $100 with a move like this because I held the trade for a couple minutes. Well, on the 5 minutes time frame on the contrary, because it's a 15 minutes time frame, I used to judge it that is oversold. Right? On the 5 minutes time frame, as you guys can see, I've held the trade for about about 15 minutes. Because of 15 minutes I've held the trade for. Right, guys? And yeah, and I profited tremendously there. But it wasn't really a profit, if you guys what I'm trying to say. Stop, listen to me. Sorry for the English language. Stop making idle trades. Stop it. Because if you don't, let me share something. because show me now, this is a level of support, guys. You wanna see a support level? I'm gonna show you something really quick. Look at this time frame here. This is called a 15 minutes time frame, right? Good. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Right. Zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna bring this down here. Bam. Observe something very keenly. You see the market is oversold there, right? It is oversold, isn't it? Will you agree? Good. Read this. Right up here, so. Wanna observe here, so. The market touch here, so. And touch over here, so. That simply means that within this zone here, we have this. There it is. Prepare for use the moving forward. This is a supply and demand zone. So this level was once touched once and it was touched twice. And you could take a risk there to earn. The market is on the way down right now. If I was to enter for a trade, as you can see, it's been spiking here and there. It spiked one time, it spiked two times there. My philosophy, it is on its way down here. So let me see if I can draw the arrow down to show you guys. Down there. That's where it's heading. Let me fatten up a bit. That'll do skin on those bones. Yes. Draw as background. I don't know what that means. There it is. See it spike again there, guys. So you see the risk that we have to go through to earn money. Now guys, I could have probably doubled my account tonight with $100. And the bigger your account is, the bigger that size you have to take. And boom and crash 300 works really fast. So once again, zoom in so you guys can understand. This is a level of support, as you guys can see. A level of resistance, I should say. Correction, forgive me guys. Supply and demand zone. Look, in that zone, price touched there and there was a rejection. Price hit for a down movement. If you want the higher time frame, the 4-hour time frame, you can see it as well. Price touched that level once over there, it touched it twice, and there's a rejection going down. Now price is gonna come push back up and break it to create a new higher high. And this is a great way of trading, guys. Right? The market isn't what kind of trend, guys. It's not uptrend, which means you should be looking for buys only. Why am I selling? This pair you can catch spikes, but that's more dangerous to me when all you can sit down is worry about the spikes. Right? I could open a trade right now and I could probably make $30, $40, $50 right now, but that's gambling. It's not a calculated move. Mama T. Yeah, Mama. How's the daughter, guys? I love her so much. So she grows up and there's nothing like her mom regarding what should I say here? Ignorance. Yeah. See there? It's spike again, guys. You see it? It's a rejection for the lower levels, and it's pushing back up. So it's probably aiming to create a higher high. This is why I took take profit at the first Bollinger Band level. Do you guys think I'm silly? Guys, I know what I'm talking about. But I've been trading for a minute now. So let me just try to bring out this. If you can't allow me again, see it? It shows me exactly that there's something being applied to the charts. It's just not showing. I'm not sure why this particular instrument is not showing, but if it's not showing, it's fine. I'll just use this. See? The market is probably like, so look at this zone right here. The market is basically rejecting in this zone right here. Let me fill it up a little bit for you guys. Fill. Draft as background. Alright, done. Sure. That is one day. Some rejection going on. It can continue to push down, but I don't think I will be risking my money like that, because guys, I'm gonna show you something. No joke. So some spikes happen sometime. You have to wonder. You see, look at 100 US dollar plug my trading platform vanish. You have to take calculated risk. I'm gonna show you one. You see a long one here. If you ever enter one trade, yeah, so we look at 100 maximum margin call. You look at $100. Yeah. Shoop. And then it disappear like magic. So here it is, guys. I would have made probably $80 tonight. An estimated $80 tonight on top of it. I'm $101.21. Because I've now developed emotional control over my trading habits. What this means, guys, is that I'm now able to better handle my emotions. I only invest what I'm able to lose. this point in my life where I'm at right now, because I work in a call center, I'm unable to lose a lot. So $100 is viable. I can lose $15,000 in trading. It's a risk. I understand the rewards if I win, so I understand the risk if I lose. As you can see, deposit withdrawal. It's a live account. Live as live is. You can see that's my name, my real name, and that's a server. It's not a demo. It's a live. It makes sense to just go live, and then once you have a strategy which you've tested on the demo account and it works, go in with the same strategy. Don't try to do anything new. Don't try to be smart. See guys, that's it. That's about it. What else do I have to say to you guys? When I go over here to place an order, I try to open the maximum lot size. I think this is the maximum lot size you can open right now. The bigger the lot size, I think this goes up to 10 or 20, not even sure. What is the biggest lot size? I'm gonna try 20 and show you. No, make it stay. Yeah. So as I was saying, it's giving a little hiccup along the way. But it's headed towards this Bollinger Bands right here. Let me use this and show you exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Look. I can't bother none of that, so let me just get dark, you know. Darkness just take over, brother. Right here. Anyway, you see the red stop? Right there is exactly where it's headed. Right there. Price is headed this way. Let me look good. See it there? Yeah, man. Right this way. Bumbleclad. What me I do, man? Is that foolish, man? Let me get them that foolish, man, people. Anyway, look with above the local black line there is where the price is going. I could take the risk to get there. The market can spike all the way with some push come down back, and probably make a few more dollars. But guys, it's important not to be greedy. You never give the market anything. So, and the question is, if I make money, yes, I do. When I play by the rules of my strategy, I stick to the strategy. But when I don't go on the 15 minutes time frame and check to see if the market is oversold, then go on the daily, then I go on the 4-hour time frame. The reason why I go on all these time frames is important, guys. If the market is at the lowest point, like all the way down here, right here, let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking using the cross here, right here, and the market is oversold, do not take a buy. I'm begging you guys, don't take a buy on the daily unless you have a big account, or you're some advanced trader like a Q-Banks or a Pajama Millionaires that knows certain things that I don't know. Don't do it. You would not do it. The reason is, this is a daily time frame. You don't want to do that. You can't handle these spikes on the daily time frame. Do you know what amount of drama happening here? This is like the eye of the storm on Jupiter. This one candlestick here. You could make thousands of dollars on this. This is like probably thousands of dollars. From here to here, from all the way up here to down here, more than $1 million you could make. The maximum lot size probably 2-3 accounts. Yeah. So this is why I check these things, because I'm not trying to fight against the time frames. There it is, the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so I've hit support. So support on the 4-hour time frame. Also, so within that area, I can safely say I can take sells, a lot of sell. I'm using the scaling method, and I take my entries on the 15 minutes time frame so I can see more of what I want to see, which is a trend, right? And the trend is what pays you. Now my take profit is about to be hit, right? Which is the second take profit. I could have held my trade some more and earn an additional $30 on my investment, but not gonna risk it. Yeah, thank you.